Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What are we going to be doing? This is the Piper Cub right here. We are doing some work on it, getting back to working. I got a nice cowling for it. I got a viewer that sent me this cowling that he made for me, and I think he did a great job on it, given the smokestacks and all that sort of stuff. This is the motor mount that I'm going to be using on the aircraft. It'll be going in right here, just like that. And then the cowling will go right over it. I got to figure out how to, I got to drill a couple of little holes in the cowling itself. I'm really sad that I have to do that, but you know, so in order for me to mount it in place, it's got to go, I think 2 screws right here would be fine. And maybe one that will be actually hidden would be right like down here or somewhere. This is the motor mount that I'll be using for it. The reason I put this block here is because I got to be able to scribe inside here. Now, if you look on here, you can see what appears that this is pretty well oil soaked. But if I scribe it up and sand it really well, I'll be able to get good adhesion to the glue. Now, what I'm going to be doing in here is putting the glue in place. And as if you, right there, it's pretty well centered in the middle. I just got to make sure that this hole actually meets up with this hole. And if you look right here on the corner, you can actually see that hole kind of meets up with that hole there. That's where the wires for the motor will be going. So that's how that will be set up. And then once that's done, once the motor's on, I can go ahead and put the cowling back on. Hopefully this is enough room for the cowling to stick out. Now, if not, I'll end up putting some washers here. As you can see, this is how it's all set up. That's how the motor will go right on there. I want to get this plane finished so I can get it in the air and we can get it flying once again. And I can start enjoying it because I really would like to get it flying. Tail code for this aircraft is going to be CUN1, Charlie Uniform November. So it'll be the same tail code as my grandpa's, and I'll give you guys a little bit more information on that aircraft, what my grandfather's aircraft was, and a little bit on his Piper Cub adventures, some of the ones that I've known about. But yes, back to work on the Piper Cub, so stay tuned. More to come on this bird. And hopefully, you'll be able to see the first flight soon. All right, guys? Model Man Frank. Oh, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps out, guys. I know you guys watch these videos, and I really would appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button. You can don't do the one that's like that. Do the one that's like that, because you know what? It sends out the algorithms, lets everybody know these are the videos to watch for building airplanes, okay? Really would appreciate it. I hope to hear from you all. See you guys on the web sphere. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. I really would appreciate it. Catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.